Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, we are discussing the Unit 6 theorems on triangles. So, in the last class, we can discuss it is it is type of angles with forming the triangles. So, today we can move to next topic. It is sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. In that, the one of the important theorem in interior angle property, it is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, or we called as this theorem is angle sum theorem of a triangle. So what we have to prove? See, angle sum theorem. Suppose you take a triangle with the vertices A, B, C. These are three corners of a triangle. We want to show the interior angle, that means this angle, this angle, this angle, these three interior angles. When we are add these three interior angles is equal to 180 degree. We want to show angle A, angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degree. So what we have to prove here, in a triangle ABC, we need to prove that the sum of all triangle, that means angle A, angle B and angle C, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is our ultimate aim to prove. So let's move on to the proof part. So first we can draw a line, straight line PQ. See, this is a straight line PQ with the point A. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಲೈನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. So what we have done, this is our construction part. Draw a line PQ is passing through the vertex A, passing through a vertex A. If this line PQ is parallel to the side BC. So when you are constructing these two angles, what we have proved, in angle PAQ, see angle PAQ, angle PAQ is a straight line. This is a, so PAQ, these three are straight, forming a straight line. So this forming some of the angles, that is angle PAB, this angle PAB and angle BAC, angle BAC and angle CAQ, angle CAQ. That means this angle, this angle, this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of it's forming a straight line. It's forming a straight line. See, this angle, this angle, this angle forming a straight line. A straight line always be equal to 180 degree. Suppose you draw a line in your textbook and take a protractor and measure it, it form a 180 degree. So using the property of straight line, we can say ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಬಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪಿ ಎ ಬಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ. ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಆಂಗಲ್ is equal to 180 degree because these angle form on the line PAQ. So this is PAQ is a straight line, then it is equal to 180 degree. So we have to say that by linear angles axiom. So this is equation 1. Now we know that PQ is parallel to BC by construction. PQ, this line PQ is parallel to BC. So and we can see that the line AB is a transversal. These two are parallel and AB is transversal. So this line is a transversal line. Then when this line is transversal, by using the property of the parallel lines with the transversal line, we can say that angle PAB and angle PAB is equal to angle ABC. Angle PAB, that means this angle is equal to ACB. That means this angle equal to this angle. Angle PAB is equal to angle ABC. Sorry, this angle and this angle are equal. Why? Because these two are alternate interior angles. So when two lines are parallel, the transversal is formed, then the alternate two angles are equal. This we called as equation 2. Again similarly, angle QAC is equal to ACB. Angle QAC is equal to ACB. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Again, why? The alternate interior angle. The alternate interior angle. Then we called as angle QAC is equal to angle ACB. We called as equation 3. Next, so we can substituting angle PAB and angle CAQ is obtained from equation 2 and 3 respectively in 1. What we have proved? Angle PAB is equal to angle ABC, angle QAC is equal to angle ACB. That means these two are obtaining angle. Substitute in this equation. So we want to substitute PAB is equal to angle ABC and angle CAQ is equal to angle ACB. Then we can say angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. See, angle ABC, angle BAC and angle ACB. These are the three interior angles inside a triangle, isn't it? So we can simply say that this angle, angle A, angle B and angle C. So angle ABC from angle B, angle BAC from angle A, angle ACB from angle C. So when we are rearranging angle A, angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree, then we can say that the sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Hence we proved that. Thank you.